look on how they work. You will need to remove this drive and replace it with the spindle gear. And be sure to put on the washer on the knob. There are 3 different groups of gears, so you will need to refer to your gear chart for the proper group. We will use Group B, and they are labeled B1, B2, and B3. Take the set labeled B3 and put it on this shaft. Small gear goes on first. Now take the set labeled B2 and put it on this shaft. Small gear goes on first. And double check that the gears mesh. Next, take the set labeled B1 and put on the same shaft as B3. Be sure the alignment plate goes in front of B1. At this point, double check to make sure all gears are meshing. The last gear you will put on is the quick change gear. So you will want to refer to your gear chart to determine which gear you will need. Next, you will put on this spacer with the small flange on first, followed by the second spacer and the cap screw. Now slide the gears together until they mesh and tighten the bolts down. Now when you're using the gears with the motor, be sure to close the gear cover down. Remember, safety first. You also can remove this outside spacer and replace it with the handle so you can turn it manually. Now when you're using the handle, the gear cover must be up. If you're using the handle, you want to disconnect